So on the touch panel, if you want to go about allowing us access to help you check on your system or review things, you go to open up your touch panel. Doesn't make a difference if it's an ezone or a MyAir touch panel. We go down and push the little dot at the bottom, and then what we want to do is we want to scroll up, and then we look for the quick support. So we tap on the quick support. Then this will give us a code that will come up here. Then we'll use that code, we'll put it into the system, we'll type that in, and then from there you'll give us approval that will allow us access to be able to check on your system and then be able to make any adjustments to support you and your needs at that time. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you find this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you soon.